Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum and Litecoin has moved in the last week and how it can move in the next week. See, if we look at this chart, and I have already told you that till the time Bitcoin didn't cross a level of 42, we are not looking for a bullish thing. Okay, and now what you see that it has because this is the level which has to be crossed 42 so that we can see further rise in the price of Bitcoin. But now we have seen that it has touched a level of 41, and from since May we can see that after making a low at this level made a high of around 40.765, and from there it is continuously moving in a particular range. Okay, so I am still on my side that if it crosses, we'll be looking for a buying side only when it crosses a level of 42, because this level is very crucial. This resistance is very crucial. Suppose if it goes above this level, then we can see that it can go further high. Okay, now what it is, we have seen a red candle. Suppose if this level sustain, okay, and now it is at a 33, okay, 494. Suppose if it opens and if it stays above a level of 34,000, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 35,275, and if it stays above that level, then we can see a level of 36,761. Okay, and suppose if it stays above a 36 level, then we can see a level of 38 also. And suppose if this level sustain, then we can see a level of 39,584, and this level is very crucial because this level is tested here. Okay, because the price of Bitcoin is in this particular range for some time. Okay, so chances are high that if this level comes, then we can see that it can touch a level of 49.21 also very soon. Okay, and if it sustain a level of 38, okay, suppose if it sustain this level, then we can see a level of 41,515, and this level is already tested here twice, so chances are high that it can go further high. So what I'm saying that if it sustain a level of 39 upside, then we can see that it can touch a level of 40 also, and then from there once it cross 42, then we can set it as a stop loss and we can on the bullish side. But 42 is a very crucial thing, crucial level for Bitcoin. If it sustain, then only we'll be looking for a buying side, otherwise we are not on the buying side. Okay, suppose if this level goes down and now it is at 33, so chances are high that it can touch a level of 32,750, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 32,000 also. Suppose if this level breaks downside, then we can see a level of 31,116 also. Okay, and then from there if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 30,000 also. Okay, 3224. Suppose, and this level is already tested twice, so chances are very high that it can touch a level of 29. Okay, once it breaks a level of 30, once it breaks a level of 31, then chances are high, because this 30 level is already tested twice, so chances are high that it can touch a level of 29. Okay, so be on the selling side if it comes to around 32. Okay, so now if I talk to you about Dogecoin, see, look at this chart, is continuously bearish. Okay, and we can see that after making a high, and you can see the high at 0.7376 is a high, and from there it is continuously in the downtrend. Okay, but you look at other patterns here. See, we have seen a high at this level 0.44, and from there it has come to a level of 0.16 also. You can see the level of it has dropped. Okay, and from there, okay, now one thing I want to tell you is that, see, if you look at this candle, we cannot, and I have already told you that whenever there is a pattern is created, see, this is the big candle formed in this, so was high chances that there can be a change in the pattern of the Dogecoin. See, So what I would suggest that till the time it didn't cross a level of 0.43, we are in the on the bearish side, because this level is already tested twice. So chances are high that if it comes close to around 0.37, then we can see that there is chances it can go high at a good level and will be on the bullish side. But till the time it didn't cross a level of 0.37, we are looking that it will go downside. This level, we can see that the Dogecoin is moving around 0.211. Okay, if it stays at this level, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 0.2470, and suppose if it sustain this level, then we can see a level of 0.2755, and if it sustain this level also, then we can see a level of 0.294, and if it goes above this level, then we can see a level of 0.338, and once this level is crossed, then we can see that it has already tested a level of 0.37. then chances are high that after going above a level of 0.023 and sustain, then we can see that it can touch a level of 0.39, and once 0.39 is touched, then we can see that it can touch a level of 0.42, and from there we can see a bullish trend in the Dogecoin. Suppose if it didn't sustain this level and goes below a level of 0.19, okay, then chances are high that if it didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 0.20, and goes below that level, then we can see a level of 0.19, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 0.17. okay, chances are high that it can break this level and come to a level of 0.10. so this is for Dogecoin. If you talk about Ethereum, we can see that it is again in a downtrend. okay, so till the time it didn't goes above at a level of 266, we are looking that the market is volatile for Ethereum, and chances are high that if it didn't it goes above a level of 22,666, we are on the bearish side, and now it is moving at around 0.2099. suppose if it sustain this level, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 2393 also. okay, or if it didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 0.2059, and if it goes below that level, then we can see that it can go to a level of 1980, and which level is already tested here twice. so chances are high that it can touch a level of 1910. okay, and once 1910 is touched, then and if sustain below this level, then we can see a level of 1805 also. okay, and then we can see a level of 1682. but suppose if it goes above a level of 2393, okay, after touching a level of 2k, okay, 2099, and if it stays above this level, then we can see a level 2398, and from there we can see a level of 2420. okay, and if it goes above this level, then we can see a level of 2543, and from there we can see a level of 2639, and this level is already tested twice. so chances are very high that if it goes above a level of 2428, then it can touch a level of 2832. so we will be on the bullish side if it stays above a level of 2428. okay, because this level, if it goes above a level of 2551, then we can say that the next we can see that it can touch a level of 28 also. but if so, this is what for Ethereum. If I talk to you about Litecoin, see now Litecoin also we are looking that it is still in the downtrend. okay, it is moving around one in this level, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 126. okay, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 119. okay, suppose if it goes below a level of 127, then chances are very high, because this level is already tested 117. okay, then it can touch a level of 109. okay, and 109 also is a little lower side then and already tested. so chances are high that it can go below to a level of this and can touch a level of 94. Okay, suppose if it crosses a level of 147 and if it stays above this level, then we can see a level of 157 also, and if it sustain that level, then we can see a level of 167. Okay, so but 167 we can see that if it sustain this level, then we can see a level of 183, and if it sustain after 183, then we can see a level of 198, and once 198 is touched, then we can see there can be a bullish rally we can see in the Litecoin. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.